Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to promote CPA lead offers. Actually, I'm going to show you how to get targeted free traffic for CPA marketing. And yes, you can apply this on any other CPA affiliate network. And I'm also going to show you a free app that is going to help you with this method. So without further ado, let's start. Okay guys, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. So this is my CPA lead account, and now you need to find offers, and you can sort offers by the country, by the offer type, by the device, by the advertisers. Or you can simply scroll through these offers, or you can type your main keyword. Let's just say, in this case, I wish to promote crypto-related offer, okay? And here you can see there is only one offer available. So when I click here to get more information, here I can see that I can earn only 10 cents per email submit, as you can see here, and this offer is available only in Nigeria. Now here you can see description. Now this is really important, guys, so please pay close attention. Here you can see complete the quiz with 100% score, new users only. That means that if someone doesn't complete the entire quiz, you won't get paid. And also if somebody already did this quiz, you won't get paid. Only new users, and only if they complete entire quiz. That is really important. Now here I can see my preview link, so I can actually copy this and I can preview how the landing page it actually looks like. That is important. Here I can see my CPA lead affiliate link. And also guys, this is really important, so please pay close attention. Here you can actually read the rules, so please read the rules. Here you can see only traffic from Nigeria, all devices allowed. Here you can see they must complete 100% of this quiz, new users only. And that is where many people make mistake. They don't read the rules and they simply start sending traffic from some other country. They start paying other people to fill this quiz or whatever, and they don't get paid because they didn't read the rules, and their traffic actually goes against the rules, and that is why you didn't get paid. So please read these rules, okay guys? So like I said, this is my CPA lead affiliate link, and I need that link. So now when I have my offer, next thing I need to do, I actually need to write an article. And you can publish that article on your blog, on your website, on medium.com, vocal media, Google sites, or wherever you want. But you actually need to write a quality article that people would like to read. But how do you actually find articles and topics that people would like to read, right? So what you can do is you can actually go on a website called BuzzSumo, and here you can find articles that have lots of engagement. So what I need to do, I need to simply type my main keyword. In this case, it is crypto, okay? Crypto, and click here, find content. Now these guys, they have free and paid option. Now I'm using free option because I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to pay for this. Later you can switch to paid option. Here you can see I will choose 6 months, okay? And here you can see articles. Here you can see Facebook engagement, Twitter engagement, Pinterest engagement, Reddit engagement, number of backlinks to this article. There is currently no backlinks. Here you can see engagement score, there is 0. Total engagement, here you can see. And like I said, you need to scroll through these articles to find one that is really good for you. So let me just go. Okay. What the heck is HODL, right? Bitcoin lingo for crypto newbies, quick take, okay? That is a good article because we will mostly promote our offer to new crypto users, right? To the crypto beginners. And that is why this is a good article, because those people, they don't know this lingo, they don't know these new words related to crypto. So when here I can see Facebook engagement, it is really good. Twitter engagement, it's not that good. Pinterest, Reddit, okay. Engagement score 23, not that bad. 94,000 total engagement. Okay, that is a good engagement. And here I can see it is actually published on Bloomberg. So I can simply open this in a new tab to check this article. And this is how this article looks. All the Bitcoin lingo you need to know as a crypto heads up, okay? That is the real title of this article. And here I can see, so just minimize this, here I can see entire article, okay? So what I can do, I can actually rewrite this article. Now I already showed you how you can rewrite articles by using Quill, totally free in just 5 minutes. So next thing you need to do, you need to publish that article. Now I already did that, and this is how my article looks. I published this on Google Sites, okay? Here you can see popular crypto slang every beginner needs to know. And here you can see 5 crypto slang terms to know. And here you can see I added link to my CPAlead offer on few places. So this is an interesting article that people who are new to crypto would actually like to read, and they will see my link and they will click on it. And if they are from Nigeria and they finish that quiz, I'm going to earn a 10 cent for every person who do that. So now what you need to do, you actually need to start driving traffic to this article. Now for that, you can actually use Quora. But usually you would simply type your main keyword here and you will search the questions related to your term, search term. But what you can actually do is you can find top 20 questions in Quora in your own niche totally free. And this is what you need to do. You need to click here on your profile image, and then you need to click here on Ads Manager, okay? And here you need to click here in upper right corner on New Campaign. Now this is important part of the video, so pay close attention. Now this part here, it's not that important, but you have to fulfill it. So campaign name, let's just say test, okay? Choose here conversions, doesn't really matter. Conversion event, let's just say generic, doesn't really matter, but you need to choose this. Maximum budget, let's just say $20. Like I said, you need to fulfill this, but it is not that important. Click here on continue, but this part here, it is important. You need to scroll here and you need to click here on questions, okay? And here you need to click on bulk ad. And here you need to type your main keyword. In this case, it is crypto, okay? Crypto, okay? Crypto. And then click here on continue. And here Quora will give you top 20 questions related to crypto, and it is totally free. Here you can see how do I recover my stolen cryptocurrency? 1,000 to 1,500 visits every week. That means that this question here is getting between 4,000 and 6,000 views every month. And here you can see how many views these other questions have. Now to answer on this question, all you have to do is just open this in a new tab, and then what you need to do, you simply need to answer on this question. Click here on answer and provide as best as possible answer on this question. And also you need to add a link to your Google page where you promote your CPAlead offer in this case. Okay, and after you provide the value and answer on this question, just simply close this and then go back and open this question, this question, this question, this question, and try to answer on all of these questions. And after you finish this, all you have to do is just click here on go back, and then here you can type Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin. And then again, click here on continue, and here you will get top 20 questions related to Bitcoin on Quora. Look at this, 3,000 to 4,000 views every week. That is between 12,000 and 16,000 views every month. This question here is getting, and all you have to do, again, just open a new tab and click here on answer and answer on this question and link back to your Google site. Now, in my previous videos, Quora videos, I explained to you how you can rank your answers as a top answer on Quora and get the most of the traffic. And trust me, if you apply that, and then you answer on all of these questions here, and then you need to go on NFT, search for NFT questions, and then search for Dogecoin questions, and so on, and rank your answers as a top Quora answers for all of those questions. And trust me, you will start getting targeted traffic, targeted free traffic for CPA marketing. And I know, and yes, I know this takes time, it takes work, but like I said, if you do everything correctly, you will start getting free traffic to your Google site where you are promoting your CPA offer, and you will start getting people to fulfill that quiz, and you will start making money with CPA marketing. So this is how you promote CPAlead offers as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.